this is me, Miss Gina from ginAcademy. My topic today is about self-sufficiency. How to save our plant, how to save our Mother Earth, how to help our planet, and how to help our pocket too. Yay! So, let's start! Read, children. One morning, I feel hungry. So I decided to walk around in my small garden. What I saw is tomatoes. I keep walking and I saw lemons, but still I can't decide what to eat. Radish! What a yummy radish! I'm sure it's fresh and tasty. Oops! What's this? Long beans! Long beans is good for our health. Give us full vitamin C. Salt pepper. There are many recipes you and your loved one will very much enjoy, such as spinach, fresh mozzarella, pizza with olive and bell pepper. Asparagus also helps us circulating blood, sugar, and many more. What I spot again with my googly eyes are lemons and chili. Next, purple yam. In Thailand, Miss Gina likes to sell purple yam. Fresh and yummy from the garden. It also helps regulate metabolism and improve heart function too. My family loves to eat peanuts. She keeps harvesting peanuts every 140 to 150 days. She says you can harvest them when leaves are brown or dry. Thai eggplant. Eggplants are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6. That's why she keeps encouraging us to eat fresh eggplant every day. We have fresh veggies every morning. We don't need to go to the market to buy. She said if you have pot or recycled plastic bottle, you can plant too. I spot one of my favorite veggies. Eggplant. An eggplant. Wow. Wow. Now I have an idea. I prefer egg, eggplant, magic syrup, and fish sauce. Then I mix them with the egg. Carefully slice my eggplant. Look like this. And I mix them well. I mix them with the eggs. Fry them. It will be look like this after fried. This is how I will enjoy my meal for the day. And now, ready to serve. Fried eggplant with egg. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, before I say goodbye, I would like to read my favorite quote about our Mother Earth. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed.